Oh, hi there. I'm Vanner. Welcome to part 3. And in this tutorial, I'm going to talk you through and show you how I made the jaw for the yellow rabbit. What are you gonna need for tools? You'll need your good old hot glue gun. You'll need cutting utensils, something to mark things down, and pliers, because in here you will need wires, which will be listed in the materials what you need to cut the wires. Materials, you will need your good old foam, the thick, like the more dense one for the outside. Like I said, the wires that are like wall wires, those are like quite strong ones. And of course, if you want to support me making all these tutorials, maybe drop a like and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the bell if you want to get notified if there's new episodes on this. So first off, the foam base, this whole base of this. So how are we gonna measure this? Basically, the jaw goes from here to there. For me it's 22 centimeters to from here then to there, which is for me 24 centimeters. Yeah, 22 times 24. Oops. 24. So it should be the base for his jaw. Now, next part will be the inside, which is around 16 times 16 and 14. 16 there. Like I said, yeah, 14. Ooh. And we want this to be in this round shape. Forget we also want 30 to be rounded off. And if you put your head now on top of here, want to something like this. It slightly goes over. Let's see, slightly goes over. And of course you can also measure. You don't have to really just wing it. Now I'll cut this around like that. Don't forget corners. Yeah, that should be the lower base for your jaw. Now, yeah, somewhat is aligned. Just wanna know, have this all shaped around, no things that overlap in any bad way. Now we will need a strip around like this. We can basically measure that by taking this. It goes around. Oh, it's kind of hard. But this square thing makes it a whole way easier. And for me, this is around about 66 centimeters. I'm just gonna do 60. I want this rectangular thing, and this will then go on top of here. Yeah, this is good. Possibly made it even too wide, so I'm going to halfen this. No, can place it even like this on top of here. We're gonna glue it on here now, like that. Yeah, see how this perfectly aligns? I'm too genius. So, well, boom. Oh, need that glue on there. Yeah, I would say that's good. Now, next part will be, this thing is super flimsy. That's where we're getting this. That's why we're getting this. We're taking good amount. Doesn't have to be always accurate. Taking that and curve that in. And then just run this wire around. And bend it back. Just make this go round and round. Till you feel like you have a good amount. See, like this. And then do you have this tails on wires? This nice wires. There, you're gonna, there's cutting utensil. Now you can cut in a little something inside. See, like a little bit inside. And do not forget to put this wire then in the cut. Yeah, and that the wires are inside of the cut. And then you can literally just cover this hole up. With hot glue. Now something you can do is take this cut, make it even smaller. So that it looks more tidy and more beautiful. You can cover it all up. With a good old foam. So it doesn't look as bad as whatever that is. This older one. I'm trying to improve on what I'm making. And I would say that this is looking better. Well, you'll notice on the image that he has some kind of bulge on the back of his bra, and we'll be creating that out of the rest pieces from this middle one here. Just cut this in half. I've done 2 of these. If we function them together, they should be good enough. Now, I don't believe they need to be bigger than this. Now, add 2, you see 4 pieces. Now these square pieces, they would come to the bottom. Looking at this, you need to be shorter. So maybe that even is enough. So you make 2 squares, round them off. They will be then go on there, just to check if it's fine. Yeah. Just gonna hold this a little. Now we should have this jaw, which to me, well, that looks pretty good. Yeah. Lots of shaping. This is all fitting perfectly. As you see with the side, it's looking just great. Front, yeah. Thanks for watching my jaw base tutorial. Now there will be an A and a B video where If you have a 3D printer, click on the one with A, and if you don't, alternatives are shown in my B video. So don't forget to check that out, like and subscribe, and see you in my next video.